To make this wax melts, we have taken wax and this fragrance, which is apple honey, and you can take any fragrance of your choice. So now we are going to melt it. You can use double boiler method also.
Love yourself.
So in this type of steel container, you can melt while keeping the container in hot water bath, and then melt it till it comes to 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, and then we are going to be adding our color. Okay, so this is the color I have chosen. So just going to add the color. Give it a mix. So in hot wax it is mixed in properly. So as you can see, the wax has started to cool down. So we will again put it on a double boiler method, because this gel wax starts to set immediately. So just cooling it down to 70 degree, still 84, and I've chosen this mold for the cubes look. Alright, one more minute, we will see it. Because after adding our fragrance, it will soon start setting. So we have to be really quick. Now we are going to add our fragrance oil. You can see it has started setting up immediately. Now we have to be really fast. And I'm adding the rest of the essential oil, mixing it. And when you add your essential oil or fragrance oil, it will soon show you a very thin consistency. So that's okay, because we want to pour it, and if it's too thick then we won't be able to pour it. So it's not now the time to pour it. Last one is a little messy, but no worries, we're just going to use each and every drop of it, no wastage. So just tap so that any extra bubbles are set. So somehow I missed the video of unmolding these wax melts, and now you can see how they have come out so beautiful, and now I will show you how it is going to be used. So you light the burner, the aromatherapy burner or wax melt burner we call it, and light down any candle beneath it, and it will start melting and the aroma will be all around your house. So this is how these are used. So after that you can always remove it and you can remelt it and again add any of the fragrance and again use it, and this uh, wax is reusable.
तो दोस्तों मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें, लाइक करें और शेयर भी करें, और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको न्यू न्यू अपडेट्स के नोटिफिकेशंस जाते रहें। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।